Oh, okay. So first, we are going to cover just briefly what have been the latest releases of PHP 7 and PHP 7.1. It seems last month there was no update for PHP 5.6, that is in security maintenance mode.
That means no security issues. Nice.
Or maybe not exactly during that interval, but I think there are always security concerns. Anyway, then we move on to a topic regarding the deprecating and removing bare words. Bare words are sometimes accidents when you forget to maybe put a dollar sign before the name of a variable. And the current behavior of PHP is to quote it and treat it like a string. That can lead to some inconveniences. So the proposal is to somehow change the behavior and remove it in future PHP versions.
I had no idea this is really happening.
Yeah, because I don't program PHP much these days. Anyway, the next proposal is about I think it is an extension called FFI, Foreign Functions Interface.
Yep.
Basically, it allows you to call some DLL or a shared object library. And the proposal, it's not very well formatted here, but here you can read it better. It is about to tell what are the types that are expected for functions of those shared libraries. So if there is a type mismatch at runtime, it could trap it and maybe throw an exception, I think. Well, anyway, this is a proposal. It is not yet RFC as far I could understand. But it is something that is for an extension that is available on Peckel that would allow to call those shared libraries called FFI. The next topic is about the so-called arrow functions. Basically, you could call some code. It's sort of like macros that you just define some function with some parameter and it will call some short code. It would be equivalent to returning some expression. So the idea is to simplify the way you call your code. The next topic is about HKDF. This is, I confess, something that is not easy to understand because it is related with cryptography and hashing. And the idea seems to be to define a way to define these hash-based functions that often no. I mean, they usually use HMAC scheme. Anyway, moving on to the next topic. It is about using namespaces in core. This is for now a proposal. It is a bit confusing, at least for me. Maybe Arthur's got it much clearer, but it seems to define which namespace would be associated to core functions, core library, core extensions. So you could have alternative implementations that would not collide with core implementations, but the functions would have the same name. And finally, there is a topic related with extended string types for PDO. Basically, this is something that I do not recall I have ever used, but it is to support national character types when passing parameters of string type to PDO.